I'm gonna give you 100 tips that my real estate investing coach gave me, because getting a coach is kind of expensive. But you know what? Sometimes, like skiing, snowboarding, real estate, making money, it makes a difference between succeeding and losing. So let's start with our 3 tips for today. Keep watching for future videos as we count up to 100.
This is Mike Marino, and I help other airline pilots achieve that second source of income by helping them invest in real estate.
All right, here's an important rule to utilize in any state of the real estate market. Don't be concerned with price. Be concerned with cash flow. Shop for cash flow, not for price. Right now, we're at almost the peak of a real estate market, but yet the super rich are still buying. Why? Why would they buy when the market could possibly go lower? Because they're buying for cash flow. They buy a quadplex that's netting, let's say, $5,000 a month, like someplace down in Key West. That's $5,000 a month at the top of the market. That's all they care about. It's netting. It already pays the mortgage for the overpriced property. Now think, when the market goes down, what happens then? All of the people who are out looking to buy houses for themselves, they're losing their jobs. So they become renters. You're renters. So now, what if your rent goes up? The market went down and your rent just went up, your cash flow just went up. As you can see, if you buy for cash flow, you don't have to worry about the top and the bottom of the market. And that's the beauty of real estate. Only buy property that still has the potential to increase the income. What I mean by this? All right, this looks like a nice duplex, right? So you have a unit on the top, a unit on the bottom. Nice duplex, right? So most people would bid for this property based on the income from the top floor and the bottom floor. But you're forgetting something. You always want to look for property that has potential. Look at this backyard back here. I already went to the zoning department. Zoning department says I could build a garage with a carriage house on top. Carriage house could provide me Airbnb short-term rental income in addition to the duplex. So I'm gonna purchase it as if it was a duplex, but I already know and I have plans and I'm able to easily add a 3rd unit plus a garage, increasing my income substantially. Only buy properties that you know still have growth to expand their already existing income. Because if there's no room to grow, there's no room to profit. Only buy property that has income growth potential. Know how to use a broker. Now, if you become friends with a broker, really good friends, you might get tips about properties that are about to be listed and not quite listed yet. But just remember, a broker is broke. They're working for commissions. So I would take their advice with a grain of salt as far as investing in real estate, because they're working for commissions. Otherwise, they'd be retired already. So just keep in mind, utilize a broker for what they're there for, but be careful with the advice you get from them. Boom! Hope you enjoyed those 3 tips from my real estate investing coach. Stand by for more videos as we make the count up to 100 real estate investing tips from my coach to you for free.